Welcome back. Yes, table's a mess. I'm not in a rush this time though, but we have quite a few items to unmold. So I'm gonna come around and we can get into it. I'm gonna start with this because I have a feeling this might be rough, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay, the gold is golding. Okay, this is actually really cute. The bottom part is definitely rough. I should have did an extra layer on top, but I can smooth that out. But this is cute. It's a little bangle. My hands are gonna be ashy afterwards. See, watch. But I like this. It's like a little tan-ish and gold. I could have probably mixed it up better, but I was doing this part. I actually really like this. I'm gonna make some more of these. And this is its sister. It's the same concept, so I might as well do it after because I had extra gold left over from something that I did. I don't know what I used that gold for, but I had extra left, so I poured it in a couple things. Oh, this is gorge. I love this. We got like the little gold on the side here, like a little drip joint, and some more here, and then gold and like tannish brownish. Yeah, I haven't made an ashtray in a minute, but here we are. And while we're on the subject of the brownish tannish, let's oh this one did in the oh yeah. Me and that torch lighter got a real good relationship. Damn, too good of a relationship. See, I don't ever want to rip it because then it's gonna rip it. If you know, you know. And everything you do it big. Hee. Oh, come on. Dang, I didn't think about ripping in such a hot minute. Actually, this is gonna look like it's a part of it because of this design. Oh, this is so bad. This is really in there. Oh my goodness. But at least I know it's firm. My gosh. But see, you can kind of how did we get so tight? Boy, they're rough it off. I have to get a new mold. This is crazy. Definitely gonna need a new mold. The middle piece. Oh wow, it broke. The middle piece broke off in there. That's crazy. Yeah. Fine, I guess I'll start using the heat gun again. This is so wild. I have my little stick. My stick is somewhere in there. Let me poke this through. That is so crazy. Let me look at a piece of silicone. Okay, well, it looks like it's a part of it because this has like a white splatter thing going. Here for it, kind of minimalistic, kind of, but yeah. And these are essentially the same thing but black with white. Let's hope these babies behave also. Let me take this out first if it lets me. I have to do another layer on the back because I realized that it wasn't even. I feel like my nail is gonna pop off doing this. Yes, I know I need a new set. It's well past Halloween. Well past Halloween. Did I just put this on my boob? Send help. All I need is one leg to come out and then we're good. Or a couple legs actually, not just one. Oof. Okay, we're gonna have to go over this a little bit with some more resin because we got loose powder. Aye. All right, so we're learning lessons with this because the powder was definitely too concentrated in certain areas. That's why it didn't go through. But I'm actually I might not even go over it because this is just the rest. Yeah, I think I might leave it and see what the other legs look like. OMG, come on. Trying not to damage you. My hand's all ashy. It's only making it worse. Mm-hmm. Come on, get your little legs out. It's like I'm trying to disrobe. Oh my goodness, I was gonna say the image in my head is a spider, but obviously a spider has 8 legs and this only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that we have 5 legs, so probably something that's in Australia. Okay, come on, baby. All right. Oh yeah. Oh. Ah. Okay, yeah, these definitely. Well, it looks good though. I'm vibing with it. I brush them off. I use a brush and brush them off. And then I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna go over it because I like how it looks. This black is so intense. Like, I love that it came out right. All right, so now we have the coasters. This came out kind of silver with the white on top. This is what they're supposed to look like. This one has, I'm gonna brush it out, but still, yeah. Was that the first one that I did? That might have been the first one. Yeah, I think that one that I just, yeah, I think that was the first one. And I did 4 on this because I made them thick. Thick. Yeah, that was the first one that I did. This one here. The other 3 I did afterwards. And that's why they don't look as white. This one and this one I did. And then these 3. But they're all going together. That's all I know. They're all going together. I like it. My hands are all, what you call it? Got glitter and dust all over my garments. All right, so what did I unmold? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to All Things Pointless. And whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding.